बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। इस वीडियो में हम एफपीएससी सेकेंडरी स्कूल टीचर 15 नवंबर 2018 में लिए गए तीसरे ग्रुप का पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। आइए शुरू करते हैं। सिलेक्ट द नियरेस्ट एंटोनम। ऑब्फुस्केट आंसर इज क्लैरिफाई। सेलेब्रियस आंसर इज नॉक्सियस। ट्रैकुलेंट आंसर इज जेंटल। वुशसेफ आंसर इज रिफ्यूज। रैंगल आंसर इज एग्री। Select the nearest synonym. Prodigal answer is recklessly wasteful. Derelict answer is abandoned. Nexus answer is connection. Scourge answer is flog. Frugal answer is thrifty. I insisted. Ongoing. He speaks like his father speaks. He is slow. He is sure. But he is sure. He fled lest he should be killed. I enjoy myself sitting alone. Sorry. What is the underlined part of the sentence? Automobiles are polluting the cities. Answer is direct object. The ship is going slowly. Adverb. 2 and 2 make 4. Conjunction. The boy laughs loudly. Verb. Which is not the local point of triangular process of the teaching. Answer is teaching method. The goal of teaching is to impart knowledge. The rules of presenting the content to make them easy are called maxims of teaching. Students are passive in lecture method. Practice is made in drill method. American approach in teaching methodology emphasizes learning objectives. Which one is not the type of lesson plan on the basic of objectives? Micro lesson plan. Which is not true about lesson plan? It is developed by students. Drama or role play is useful for learning history. Example of psychomotor domain is that student performs an experiment. Example of cognitive domain is to describe a topic. The number of domains in taxonomies of education objectives are 3. Educational objectives have been divided into 3 domains. Taxonomy of educational objectives was presented in 1956. The classification of cognitive domain was presented by Krathwohl. The highest level of learning in cognitive domain is evaluation. Knowing, memorizing, and recalling is concerned with knowledge. To grasp the meaning of material is comprehensive. To use previous earned material in new situation is application. To put idea together to perform a new whole is synthesis. The intellectual skill are related by cognitive domain. The active domain was classified by S. Bloom. The lowest level of learning in active domain is responding. Willingness to attend the particular phenomenon is attending, receiving. Which subgroups of active domain focus on active participation? Answer is responding. Aims are learning, acceptations. To promote science and technology is answer is objective. Inquiry means to investigate. Inquiry method includes questioning, answering. First component of lesson planning is objective. Which is not the step of project method? Answer is analysis. An overall procedure which is adopted by a teacher to achieve certain goals is called strategy. Limit to quantitative description of pupil performance is called evaluation. The purpose of formative evaluation is monitoring of progress of students. Tests involving the construction of certain patterns or solving problems in terms of concrete materials are called intelligence test. A type of criterion validity whereby a new measure correlates with a criterion measure taken at the same time is considered concurrent validity. Recorded measurement of certain phenomena are called data. The degree to which measures is free from error and therefore yield consistent result is called reliability. A master plan specifying the method and procedure for collecting and analyzing the needed information is considered research design. The ability of scale or measuring instruments to measure what is what it is intended to measure is called validity. The logical process of driving a conclusion about a specific existence based on known general premise in something known to be true is considered deductive. Management is an art and a science. The concept of classroom management is more broad-based, involving the principles of management relating to instructions and discipline. For successful teaching, classroom arrangement is a systematic way to increase appropriate behavior. For successful teaching, fruitful purpose of interaction between teachers and taught is meant to guide the students towards self-motivation. The chief duty of a teacher is to encourage pupils to supervise their activities and to provide them necessary guidance. According to behavioral science approach to management, management is the development of people and not the direction of the things. The area of behavioral science application that emphasizes the important common understanding and its assessment is answer is communication. The area of behavioral science researches that focuses on the personal factors underlying high productivity as well as high morale is the area of employers. Answer is motivation. The area having to do with identifying personal characteristics and situation factors leading to management success. Answer is leadership. The principle that a subordinate should receive order and be responsible to only one boss is known as span of control. A managerial approach that uses those aspects of management schools that meet unique needs of individual manager is called eclectic. Functionalism involves assigning tasks to certain people. The function of philosophy is answer is creative. The scope of philosophy is in education is unlimited. Socrates is the most honored philosopher in the history of Europe. Plato idealism drives its origin from Socratic teaching. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।